Hey guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video guys I'm going to show you how to purchase Prime membership in Amazon. So you want to do this by simply open up your browser. So you want to open up your browser and you want to go to google.com and simply type in Amazon Prime. Now once you type that there, you'll be able to find Amazon Prime within the list of options or result from Google. So here you can see Amazon.com, and it says Amazon Prime. So you want to click on that and it will take you to the page where you have the registration for Amazon Prime. Now here you see that it says start free 30-day trial. So you want to go ahead and click on that. And if you're not yet logged into your Amazon account, you need to log in. And if you don't have an account, you can simply go ahead and create an account where you have create a new Amazon account button there. So if you have an account, just simply log into your account. I'm going to do so and log into my account there. Now once you do that guys, it will take you to the section where you can choose your option. You can see what's in the perks there for the Prime, and you can choose your credit card payment details. Now as you can see there, I have some old cards there currently added, but you want to ensure that you have a valid card there. Now once you have a valid card added, then all you have to do is just simply add your card or choose whatever payment method that you have and simply click and continue with the method of payment to complete the method of payment. As it says, you get a 30-day free trial, so you won't be charged there until after the 30-day trial is completed. And that's all there is to it. Now, I really hope you found this useful. And if you do, go ahead, give this video a like and let me know in the comments below if you have any question. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.